Welcome to Biblical Hebrew Lesson 3. In this lesson, I will teach you how to write Hebrew letters. Now you need to take a pen and a paper and be ready to imitate and practice the writing of each letter shown in the screen. Every Hebrew letter is placed in an imaginational square box. Sometimes the strokes can be drawn beyond this square box. Let's look at the first letter. Our left consists of 3 strokes. The first stroke is writing from top left and going down diagonally to the right bottom of the box. The second stroke is from right to left diagonally and then stop halfway. Jump over the first stroke. Continue the third stroke at the bottom left of the box. Now we look at second letter, Bet. Bet consists of 2 strokes. The first stroke starts from the top left corner, drawing a horizontal line, and then before reaching top right corner, drawing a curve and down vertically. The second stroke is another horizontal line at the bottom. Gimel. Gimel consists of 2 strokes. The first stroke starts at the top middle and moving down towards right, and then add another stroke like drawing another leg. Now come to Dalet. Dalet consists of 2 strokes, a horizontal line from left to right, and then straight down to form the second stroke of Dalet. Hey. Hey consists of 2 strokes. The first stroke consists of horizontal and vertical line. It is a continuous line, and at the left side, draw another vertical line, which is the second stroke. When you draw the second stroke, leave a gap from the first stroke. Now come to Wa. Wa only 1 stroke. Start with a short horizontal stroke at the right side of the box and continue with a vertical stroke downwards. Zain. Zain looks like Wa, but it starts at the top middle. Draw a slanted stroke, and at the middle of this stroke, draw a vertical line, and then bend the line at the middle portion and continue. Het. Het looks like hay, also consists of 3 strokes, but the difference is on the third stroke, you can see there is no gap between the first and the third stroke. Tet. Tet can be written in 1 stroke. It's like you write number 6, but this number 6 is lying down. Yod. Yod is an angle of 80 degrees placed at the top right corner. Kaf. Kaf is like you draw an English letter C, but left and right reversed. Lamed. Lamed consists of 2 strokes. Start at the top outside the box, drawing down a stroke followed by a 7. A 7 with a curved tail. And then Mem. The first stroke of Mem is like drawing a triangle with a bit curved, but don't close up the triangle. Leave a gap there, then finish up with a small stroke on the top left of the triangle. Nun. Nun is like a thin size of number 3. Samek. Samek only 1 stroke. Draw a horizontal line and then continue with a half circle or a full circle. Ain. Ain consists of 2 strokes. It's like writing an English letter Y. Pe. The first stroke of Pe is like the letter Kaf. And add 1 more stroke, a small vertical line, and turn in. Tati. Like drawing a knee, a bending knee, and at a praying hand. Cough. Cough is like a capital letter of P, but it looks fatter. And the vertical line exits the bottom line of the box. Rash. Rash sounds like R. The shade of rash also looks familiar. Sin and Shin are two similar letters. Writing a U and then in the middle give a slanted stroke. The letter then look like W. For Sin, you need to put the dot on the left side. So now we write Shin. Same thing again, a U, at the middle a slanted stroke, and put the dot on the right side. Tau. The first stroke of Tau is like writing a rash, and then you draw a vertical line ending with a curve. Now I show you how to write the word Elohim on the line shown in the screen. Elohim means God. You need to observe the strokes that are exceeding the top or bottom line. Now I am writing Aleph, Lamed, He, Yud, Mem. Then I put on the vowels E, O, and E. Have you noticed that the letter Mem here is quite different from what I have taught previously? Yes, it is different. This is called final form of Mem. Another four vowels, which are Kaf, Nun, Pe, and Zati, also have their final forms. This is to say that when Mem, Kaf, Nun, Pe, or Zati happens to be the ending letter of a word, you need to write this final form. The final form of man is like drawing a square box, but at the end of the last stroke, turning towards right to close up the gap. The final form of Kaf is writing a horizontal line at the top and then a vertical line exiting the bottom line of the box. The final form of Nun is taking the base of the letter and make it straight down and extend it below the bottom line. The final form of Pe, like writing a normal Pe but followed with a straight line down, exceeding the bottom line and then as a normal Pe at a 90-degree corner here. The final form of Zati, also doing the same, bending down the base of the letter and make it straight and extend it below the bottom line. Now we come to the end of lesson 3. For today's assignment, you can practice writing the sentence shown in the screen on your paper. The dots and T signs below or above the alphabets are all vowels. We will learn that in the next lesson. See you and God bless.